F3. Calculate the resultant of forces F1, F2 and F3 acting on a block placed on an inclined plane. Okay. So now let us resolve all these forces along the horizontal and vertical directions, or maybe down the plane and up the plane. So there are two possibilities. So let us show it here. This is the block, and what are all the forces? This angle is given to be how much? This angle is theta, F1, F2 and F3. This is F1 and this is F2 and this is F3. Let us choose to resolve them along the up the plane and down the plane directions. How to do that? To do this, let us consider like this. So I am going to consider this F2, F3, etc. F1. So if I know the components or say the angle, I can do it. So this angle is theta. So notice that this angle is also theta. Right? This angle is also theta. So what is this component going to be? This is going to be F1 sine theta. This is going to be F1 cos theta. Because this angle is theta, this angle is 90 minus theta, this angle is theta, this component is going to be F1 cos theta. So now, what are all the forces? These are the forces. We have F3 along this direction, F1 sine theta, F2 and F1 cos theta. Thus, if this is selected as x-axis and this is selected as y-axis, net force along x-axis is going to be F1 sine theta difference F3. Likewise, net force along y-axis is nothing but F1 cos theta difference F2. This is the net force.